Rajnath Singh, the defense minister in the Rajya Sabha today, spoke about the China situation. For the first time, a senior minister used the word war, but there was a context. It's not as if India was seeking war, India was seeking peace. He made that very clear. But the point that he was trying to make is, if we were to start a war, there's no telling where that would end. Starting a war is in our hands, but where that finally ends up is not in our hands. Important remarks by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, an unscripted part of what he said to the Rajya Sabha today. Perhaps the first remarks by a senior minister where the word war was used in the context of what's happening in eastern Ladakh.
हम पहले से बहुत अलग हैं, फिर भी हम मौजूदा स्थिति के शांतिपूर्ण समाधान के प्रति पूरी तरह से कमिटेड हैं। युद्ध की शुरुआत तो हमारे हाथ में होती है, लेकिन उसका अंत नहीं होता है। और मुझे कई बार ताज्जुब होता है कि शांति का यह संदेश जिस धरती से पूरे विश्व को गया है, उस धरती की शांति में विघ्न के द्वारा विघ्न डालने का प्रयास किए जाते हैं।
Asked by former Defence Minister A.K. Antony whether Indian soldiers were being blocked by the Chinese from patrolling, Mr. Singh insisted Indian soldiers could not be stopped.
यह पेट्रोलिंग पैटर्न ट्रेडिशनल है, पारंपरिक है और साथ ही साथ ये वेल डिफाइंड है। भारत के सेना के जवानों को पेट्रोलिंग करने से दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं रोक सकती।
The Defence Minister's speech asking political parties to support the soldiers on the Ladakh heights was welcomed by all. But there were some who asked the government to be extremely cautious of China as well as to ensure status quo ante and patrolling does not take a hit.
Do we understand that the restoration of the status quo ante will remain a non-negotiable and final objective for India?
Beyond the rhetoric, though, it's unclear how the government intends to patrol in areas where the Chinese continue to block Indian soldiers, in Depsang to the north or the north bank of the Pangong Lake. The National Security Advisor is expected to talk to his Chinese counterpart today on the sidelines of the BRICS summit. The defence and foreign ministers have met, though there is no date set for more military-level talks between generals at the moment. With Sunil Prabhu, Vishnu Shom for NDTV. Well, joining us, Brigadier Anil Gupta of the BJP and Pawan Khera still with us. Mr. Khera, did the Congress party get a satisfactory response to that basic question? Will the status quo be restored? Did you get an answer to that?
No, Vishnu, we didn't get an answer to that. But I must add, the most honorable man in the cabinet, he was honest, he was upright, unlike what the MOS Home said yesterday in response to an unstarred question, saying that there have been no incursions. China has not given an absolute clean sheet all over again to China after 19th of June, when Prime Minister himself resorted to giving a clean sheet to China. Thankfully, Mr. Rajnath Singh has time and again shown that he has the courage to speak out openly and say that yes, there have been transgressions, though he did not mention Depsang. He did not respond to our concerns about status quo ante as on April 2020. He decided not to respond to that. I wish there was a debate even in the Lok Sabha. I wish there is another all-party meeting where select leaders of the opposition are taken into confidence the way we had done it in 2013, when there was a not so serious, but well, there was a crisis on the eastern border. We had taken Arun Jaitley ji, Sushma Swaraj ji, all the leaders of opposition into confidence, not just
in fact, that was what Venkaiah Naidu suggested today as well.
Their inputs.
In fact, he said that he would take that into consideration. So let's see if he actually does. But Brigadier Gupta, how exactly does the government intend to ensure that Indian soldiers continue to patrol all the areas? The Chinese aren't moving.
See, the statement of Mr. Rajnath Singh should be understood in its context. He said nobody can stop Indian soldiers from patrolling. They are patrolling even now. Maybe they are not going up to patrolling point 11 or 11 alpha. That's a different issue. But they're still patrolling. So what he has said is
with
correct.
All due respect, they can patrol, they can walk, they're well armed and they're extremely well trained. The question is of patrolling in those areas where the Chinese have taken over our land. So therefore, will our soldiers patrol from Finger 4 to Finger 8 in Pangong, or in the Gogra area where they remain, or parts of Depsang where they block us? That's the only area that we are concerned about patrolling. We are not concerned about Indian Army patrolling anywhere else.
Vishnu, he has mentioned that. So where there's a transgression, how do you expect the patrolling to take place? It is understood. Do you want clashes to take place? So it is very clear. Now let me answer Mr. Khera if you
please go ahead.
Time. Mr. Khera has raised the issue again of status quo ante. I will request Mr. Khera that please read the meaning of status quo ante and thereafter take a very cool thought to it and then decide whether this is required or not. Because status quo ante would mean withdrawal by both sides to their positions which existed before the transgressions took place. Now, is withdrawal by India from where they are today in national interest? That I would leave it to him. Secondly, he made an issue of the statement of Minister of State for Home Affairs. Now, he said no incursions have taken place. No. He said there will be no infiltration. And he is very right. The infiltration place. Can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
The infiltration takes place between the lines, between the positions, between the defenses occupied. There have been no such incident in which the Chinese have crossed our defenses and got into our rear. So there's been no tactical infiltration at all.
So I think you've raised a lot of points. Pawan Khera, valid points in a sense. If you're talking about restoration of the status quo ante, right, the Chinese also have to move back. Because, you know, as Rajnath Singh said today, the defense minister said, we can start a war, we don't know if we can end it. What does that mean? That essentially means you can't right-size a war. And I think that makes a lot of sense. You'd agree.
Vishnu,
you can't right-size a war.
I'll rephrase my question for the benefit of veteran Brigadier Gupta. Tell me, the Indian Army ITBP were patrolling up to a particular point before April 2020. Can you assure us that they are able to do the same even today? If you don't want me to use the word status quo ante, fair enough. I'll rephrase the question for you. Are we able to patrol the same points as we did before April 2020? Number two, you said that Nityanand Rai ji said no infiltration has taken place. Now, you are deliberately, this establishment, and much to my shock, is deliberately trying to dilute and obliterate the use of the word LAC. आप LAC का नाम ही नहीं लेना चाहते हो.
Okay, well, you've raised 2 points. Let him answer that. Are you trying to change?
I need to further clarify.
But let him answer that.
No, wait. Differing perceptions of LAC से आते. Now you are not even talking about LAC. And you are saying कि नहीं वो इधर नहीं आए हमारी तरफ. I'm sorry.
Okay, so now you've raised a lot of things. Even I am forgetting what all you have raised. Let him answer this. Firstly, the entire issue of the LAC. Secondly, Brigadier, forget about the use of the word status quo ante. Can you patrol to those areas which we used to patrol in April? 2 questions.
I have made it very clear that patrolling where the Chinese are now transgressed, in those areas patrolling is not possible because the patrol clashes take place. So in those areas, for the time being, the Indian Army is not patrolling. Yes, once the status is restored, the Indian Army will patrol those areas. That is the answer to the first question. The second question is, there is no twisting of facts. The question was about infiltration. So the answer given was about infiltration. So where is the question of twisting the facts or playing with the words? Third is Vishnu. The line of actual control. The varying perceptions of line of actual control. In 2013, Dr. Manmohan Singh himself used the word of varying perception of the LAC. So what is the new, what the defense minister said? It has been the stand of even the UPA government in 2008. The then Chief of Army Staff, General Deepak Kapoor, he also made the same remark and used the word that there are different perception of LAC. So I think there is nothing new in that.
Vishnu, I'd like to comment.
Yeah, Mr. Khera, go ahead.
Now, when you say China has its own opinion of the LAC is something else, India is very clear about what is LAC as far as India is concerned from our point of view. Our military maps clearly indicate what is LAC as far as we are concerned. You are very honest, again, like Mr. Rajnath Singh, Brigadier Gupta, when you say that there have been transgressions and we are unable to patrol. I am glad somebody in the BJP has shown the spine to come out and contradict the Honorable Prime Minister also here. The Prime Minister's famous clean chit to the Chinese. Koi na ghusa hai, na koi ghusa hua hai. I think that really damaged and diluted our resolve as a nation to fight against the Chinese, against the adversary. I'm glad you have shown the spine. My compliments to you. Don't worry about your political ambition, Brigadier Gupta. You are a man we'll all follow if you are so honest about it.
Yes, but make your larger point. Let's not keep this to Brigadier Gupta. Let's keep it to the issues.
Very proud of
we all like
people
Brigadier Gupta, but
in politics, irrespective of which party they are in. At least they have the courage
Pawan,
to call a spade a spade,
clarify.
unlike our Prime Minister.
Pawan,
no, I'm not making a
Pawan,
political point.
clarify.
I'm
Okay,
very
all
proud
right.
of
I
my
need to
fellow
wrap this up.
panelists.
Brigadier Gupta, last words. Yes.
Pawan, yeah, please let me clarify. Vishnu, in your program earlier also have clarified that the Prime Minister is being misquoted. His statement was with a reference to context. After the Galwan Sin had taken place and during the all-party meeting, he said, referring to Galwan, that our valiant soldiers have pushed back, and it was in Hindi, कि नबी ना कोई है और ना गुस्सा था, जो गुस्सा था उनको निकाल दिया था. That is what he had said. So why keep playing around with words? I have my request to
within
Pawan
hours,
Khera.
China
Please read
misused
the
that.
statement.
You know it who misinterpreted it. So the Prime Minister should be more cautious in
that
using
is
the
China's
words.
job.
प्रधानमंत्री
that
है
is
देश
China's
के,
job.
मजाक नहीं है. उनको बड़ा समझ से सोच समझ कर ये अपने शब्द इस्तेमाल करने चाहिए. Tell me why did the Ministry of Defence remove the statement on infiltration from its website? Tell me what pressure? किसका दबाव था कि MOD की वेबसाइट से वो स्टेटमेंट निकल गया? You can question them because आप तो वहां बैठे हैं और आप तो बड़े अधिकारी रहे हुए हैं सेना के. You question them, please, because we owe it to this country.
One
We
second,
cannot allow the Chinese.
Mr. Khera, 1 second, let him reply.
Let me speak. Pawan, let me speak.
Sure.
When the Prime Minister used the word that ये विकास का युग है, विस्तार का युग नहीं. You saw what hackles is raised in China. So it is, China understands.
Sir,
China knows very well
Vishnu,
what the Prime Minister is saying.
Let's not go by the rhetoric of what the Prime Minister said. The effect of what the Prime Minister said
You
was
can criticize
damaging
the Prime Minister,
to the resolve
but
of
you
this
can't praise
country,
him.
and the
That's
Prime
problem.
Minister should be more
That's the
cautious
problem, Pawan,
using such words.
that you want to criticize the Prime Minister.
नहीं, criticize की बात नहीं है. हम देश के लिए we love India more than we love our Prime Minister. Sorry. आपको भी मेरे को लगता है यही इमोशन होनी चाहिए. हिंदुस्तान से बड़ा नहीं है प्रधानमंत्री.
All right, gentlemen, we also love our army.
हिंदुस्तान की
We
image
love
से
our
बड़ी नहीं
navy
होती.
and we love our air force.
Vishnu,
of that there is no
Vishnu,
doubt.
Vishnu,
And it was wonderful to see
just
the
1
all-party
minute, Vishnu.
support today in Parliament.
Vishnu, just
Brigadier,
1
we
minute.
can go on. I'm out of time.
No, just 1 minute. Today is the 70th birthday of the Prime Minister. Let's all
No, we wish him well. We wish him a long and healthy life. We hope that he is more careful using his words.
All right, that's fair. I'd leave it over here. It's going to be a long, long winter for our soldiers, and let's hope that they're okay in those god-awful heights, 16,000, 17,000 feet, in minus 30-degree temperatures. That's the larger issue. Let's not forget that. Take a break.